Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azka Syifa. I'm from the 7th semester of A class, and today I would like to give an explanation about Peirce's theory of semiotics. First, let me explain about the definition of semiotics. So, semiotics is the study of signs and of anything that stands for or represents something else. The name semiotics itself is derived from the Greek word semion, which means sign. The terms of semiotics initiated by two experts, namely Ferdinand de Saussure, which used the term semiology, and Charles Sanders Peirce, which used the term semiotics. According to Saussure, the science itself has two main components, which called signifier and signified. On the other hand, Charles Sanders Peirce argued that sign has three sides. The first one is representative, second one is object, and the third one is interpretant. And every side of sign has its own classification. And in this video, I would like to explain about Peirce's theory about sign system based on the object. So according to Peirce, the object itself can be classified into the icon, index, and symbol. The first one is icon. So, icon is a visual representation of language or an image. It is one that has a similarity and can be identified by the user. Or it can be said that the icon is a pattern that physically resembles what it stands for. So it can be concluded that an icon is meant as a direct imitation of the object or concept. So let's take a look at the examples. Right here, I have two examples of icon. The first one is a picture of someone. So a picture of your face is an icon of you. And here I have a picture of Geno from NCT Dream, which is an icon of Geno. Another example, I have a picture or an icon of printer. So this picture of a printer on your computer screen is an icon for the print function. The second one is index. So index is the causal relationship between the sign and its object. An index is a sign that shows evidence of the concept or object being represented. An index doesn't resemble the object or concept being represented. Instead, it resembles something that implies the object or the concept. Now let's take a look at the example of index. So here I have three pictures. The first picture is smoke. So smoke is an index of fire. And the second one, I have a picture of ant. So here, ants can be an index of the existence of sugar or something sweet. And the last one, it can be said that a beep from your oven can signal that the cookies are ready to be removed. And the last one, there is symbol. So symbol is something that can symbolize and represent notions, ideas, and things. There is no logical connection between a symbol and what it represents. The connection must be learned, and it usually becomes associated with the concept it represents over time. Connection and standards help make the connection between symbols and what they represent. For example, I have a picture here. There is a yellow flag. And in Indonesia, if there is a yellow flag, it can be interpreted as a sign that someone has died. That is all I could explain about semiotics theory of Charles Sanders Peirce. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.